Let us now get familiarized with Apache Hive. Apache Hive is a data warehouse infrastructure built on top of Hadoop. It provides data summarization, query, and analysis. Apache Hive was initially developed by Facebook, and now it is being used and developed by Netflix. It is a cross-platform database engine, and is written down in Java. Hive is an open-source software, and it provides a command line interface or CLI to write Hive queries using HiveQL. The properties of Apache Hive includes ad hoc queries, built-in user-defined functions, different storage types such as plaintext, RC file, HBase, ORC, and others, provision of query language called HiveQL, analysis of large data sets stored in Hadoop-compatible file system, and easy data summarization. Apache Hive is built with three different components: Hadoop cluster, metadata store, and warehouse directory. Hadoop cluster is a cluster of inexpensive commodity computers on which the large data set is stored, and all processing is performed. Metadata store is the location in which the description of the structure of the large data set is kept. The warehouse directory is another type of location called the scratchpad storage location that Hive permits to store working files that include tables and results from user queries. For installing Hive, you need to follow these few steps. You need to start with verifying the complete Java installation, which includes installing the Java package, along with its core components such as downloading JDK, and verifying it, moving it to a location, and setting the path for configuration. Then verify the Hadoop installation by downloading the setup file, configure, and verify it, and finally access it from the browser. The next requirement is to download and install Hive, which will be followed by configuring the Hive setup installation. After successful installation of Hive, you need an external database server such as Apache Derby to configure the metastore of Hive, followed by verifying the Hive installation before running it. Now, let's have a brief look into how Hive works. The tables in Hive are similar to tables in relational database, where data can be accessed using a simple query language. The data in the table is serialized, and each table has a corresponding Hadoop distributed file system or HDFS directory. The syntax of HiveQL is similar to SQL, but it does not strictly follow the full SQL standards. Rather, it comprises of a subset of SQL and a few of its extensions. The major differences of HiveQL and SQL are: HQL query executes on a Hadoop cluster and not in a platform with extensive hardware. Hive handles huge datasets, whereas SQL does not. The internal operation of Hive query is done through a series of automatically generated MapReduce jobs, which is not at all a feature of the SQL. Thank you.